2014 EZGO TXT 48. See right there. We've got some 205/50-10 LSI Elite tire on, I don't know, I'm just going to say the SS wheel. Pretty nice. Looks like there's plenty of clearance to put some bigger tires on it, and that's what we're going to try and do. So yep, they're the same on this side too. They just need to be cleaned up. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna jack this up on one side. We're going to take off these two tires and we're going to test the new tires and see. The new tires are 20s. So here's what the new tires look like. Aluminum wheels. I think it's called, what does it say? Mass FX. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see what it says right here. Looks like it's 10 by 7B. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm assuming this is the part number for the rim. And then these are 20 by 10 by 10. So I'm thinking diameter 20, 10-inch wide. I'm thinking, maybe. Or it's a aspect ratio. I'm not sure. Maybe the other dash 10 is the 10 wide. So yeah, we're gonna try to put these on, and hopefully they'll fit on there, and that'll be great. That's the next plan. I'll set you up, and then you'll see me change them.